Please subscribe to our channel to help us reach more students.
Hello my dear students, in today's class we will discuss about calendar. This topic is very important for those who are preparing for SSC, RRB, UPSC and groups and remaining entrance exams also. Some exams they may ask. Now first of all, the calendar was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII in the year 1582. That's why we call it this calendar as Gregorian calendar or modern calendar. Why? Because it is introduced in the year 1582 only. Now see, in this, based on this calendar we have two different type of years. One is normal year, another one is leap year. Normal year, another one is leap year. Correct? Now we know that every fourth year is a leap year. How it will come? Let us see here. Now we know that Earth revolution around the sun, it takes 365 days, okay, 5 hours, 48 minutes, some 56 seconds. This data may vary. This data may vary in different books. That is not required. Right? Now, see here. In the first year, what he considered Gregorian. So first year he considered 365 days. Okay. Now, when coming to the second year also he considered same, and the third year also same. Now, when coming to the fourth year, he added 1 day. Why he added 1 day and where it from? See here. We know that here extra time is there now 5 hours 48 minutes. Approximately he considered as a 6 hours here. Here also 6 hours. Here also 6 hours. Here also 6 hours. Together 24 hours. In a day there are 24 hours. That extra day added here. So that's why in a leap year we have how many days? 366 days. 366 days. Clear? Now here, when coming to the century, now what happens here? Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth year is a leap year. Now 8th year also leap year. Correct? 12th year also leap year and so on. 96. Okay. Here also leap year. But 100th year, when coming to the 100th year, he removed the status as a leap year and it is a normal year. Why? Because this adjustment. See here, this is not exactly 6 hours. So for this adjustment, so he removed the status for the 100th year or first century. Now when coming to the 101, 102, 103, 104. 104 again leap year and so on 196. Okay, 196th year is a leap year. But when coming to the 200th year, he removed the status and he remains normal year. Why? Because this adjustment only. So wherever it requires means he added, wherever it is extra he removed. So like that. Next 201 and so on 296, 204 to 296. Okay, every after fourth year, every fourth year is a leap year. When coming to the 300th year, he removed the status and this is what? Normal year. Now 301, 304 is a leap year again and so on 396. What? Leap year. Now when coming to the 400th year or nothing but 4th century, he remains same, leap year only. Here not an issue, that's why he remains same. He considered it as a what? Leap year. That's why when coming to the a century, every 4th century is a leap year or every 400 years is a leap year. When coming to the remaining cases, every 4th year is a leap year. This is a concept behind leap year and normal year. Okay, based on this, we'll do some questions. Okay, students, will see the first model from the calendar. Which of the following is a leap year? Like this, they're asking. Now see here. We have already discussed when coming to the century, every 4th century is a leap year or every 400 years is a leap year. This cycle is repeating. Next 800 years is a leap year, nothing but 8th century. Now 1200 years are what? 12th century is a leap year. When coming to the centuries, it is repeating. So that's why we can say if it is century, it should be divisible by 400. If it is century, given here is century in the form of century, it should be divisible by, if it is what? Century. if it is okay century, it should be divisible by what? 400. You remember this one. And if it is other than century, means remaining cases, okay, other than century, it should be divisible by what? 4. Divisible by 4. We know the divisibility rule of 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits of that number, if divisible by 4, exactly divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Now let's, by using this, we can check. So if it is century, it should be divisible by 400. Other than century, it should be divisible by 4. Remember this. Now, sorry. Check the first one. Here 1962. Now see here, last 2 digits divisible by 4 or not. So one time exactly get cancel na, remainder 22. 22 means not exactly cancel. 5 times only. Some okay decimal point is, so it is not a leap year. Next, when coming to the 2000, yes, 2000 is exact. It is what? Century. It is in the form of century. It should be divisible by 400. Yes, it is divisible by 400. 5 times exactly. So it is a leap year. Next, 1992. Yes, it other than means last 2 digits we have to check. Now 2 times and 3 times. Yes, it is divisible. This is also leap year. Now 1763. It is last 2 digit of that number not exactly divisible. So not a leap year. 2003 also what? Not a leap year. Now 2014, not a leap year. 2024, yes, last 2 digits of that number divisible by 4. Yes, it is a leap year. Now 1900 century, not exactly divisible by 400. So that is not a leap year. 1700 means 17th century. This is 19th century. Sorry, 19th century is not exactly divisible by 400. So not a leap year. 17th century is not exactly divisible by 400. Not a leap year. 12th century is what? Divisible by 4th century. Correct? Yes, it is a leap year. So like this, we have to do the given questions. Clear? Okay, students, move on to the next model here. So before that, we have to discuss about odd days. First of all, what is the definition of odd days? So here, in a given period, period is nothing but in terms of days. Okay, in terms of days. In a given period, extra days other than the complete weeks. Okay, are called odd days. This is the definition for odd days. This entire topic now based on this word only. What is the odd days? Okay. Now odd days is nothing but what? In a given period of, in terms of days, extra days other than the complete weeks are called odd days. Now see, if let's say if you take 10 days, in this, in a week how many days are there? There are 7 days. Divided by 7. How many times cancel? Exactly 1 time. Means there is 1 week and the remaining odd days are how many? 3. Remainder is what? 3. So 3 odd days are there for this time period. If you take 263 days divided by 7. Now how many times it cancel? 3 7s are 21. Now remainder is 5, 53. 7 7s are 49. So there are 37 weeks and remaining is what here? 4 odd days for this particular time period. Here 1 week, 3 odd days. Here 37 week, 4 odd days. Like that. Now we know that already for normal year or ordinary year there are 365 days. For this divided by 7 means 52 times get cancelled, means there are 52 weeks, 1 odd day. Now for the leap year, there are 366 days. Divided by 7 means here there are 52 weeks, 2 odd days. Remember this point. Okay. Here for normal year or ordinary year there are 52 weeks and 1 odd day. For leap year there are 52 weeks and 2 odd days. Clear? Now see here. Now from this topic, next model, they may ask you find out the day of the week of particular date, whether it is past date or future date or present date, whatever it may be. Now we have to find out for that particular date what is the day of the week for that, whether it is Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, what it may be, we have to find out. Further, we have know about codes. There are three different type of codes we have. There are, okay, sorry, day code, month code and century code. So let's see all these three different type of codes. Now see, first of all, day code. Day code. See here, first of all, I am starting with Sunday. Sunday code is 0. Why? Because here I am considering the week from Sunday to Saturday. Starting with Sunday means before Sunday there is no day completed. Means that is 0. Now before Monday, how many days completed? 1 day completed. That is 1 code. Now Tuesday, how many days completed? Before Tuesday, 2 days completed. That is 2. Now Wednesday, 3. Now Thursday, 4. Friday, 5. Then for Saturday, 6. These are the day codes. Clear? Now moving to the month code. Here, month also in a year, in a calendar year, we have from January to December month. Okay, here let's consider again. Before January, there is no month completed. Now that is code for 0. Now after January, what is the month? February. See here, in the February month we have, okay, for normal year 28 days and for the leap year 29 days. Here I am considering 28 days only. Okay, when what if it is leap year, what we have to do while solving the questions, I will explain to you. Clear? Now I am considering as a normal year. Now 28 days here. Okay. Now how to get the code for February? See here, I am writing here. See, before February, which month completed? January completed. So January, how many days are there? 31. Means here before month completed month, nothing but before month number of days plus before month code. Before month code. We have to take this thing. That is what? 0. Now if you add everything, what is the result? 31. Means 31 days are there. Now we need odd days only. Here for the January I am taking 0. For before January there is no other month completed. So that's why I am considering as a 0. Now for before February, January month completed. For that, in that month, before month, number of days plus that month code, if you take, you will get total number of days. That is what? 31. 31 is, in this we need to identify the odd days. In this 31 days there are some weeks are there na? How to, okay, know how many weeks are there? Divided by 7. If you divide by 7, why? Because for every week 7 days are there. Now how many times can cancel? 4 times. So remainder is important here. The remainder is what here? 3. So that is the code for February. Clear all of you? Now follow same procedure. Now next what? March. March means what we have to do? Before month. Before month is what? February. As I told you, for February you have to consider as a 28 days. Okay. When it is 29 means when it is leap year, while solving I will tell you what we have to do. Now see, 28 days plus that month code, what you got here? 3. Yeah. Then 31. Again 31 days are there. What we have to do? To find the number of weeks divided by 7. 4 times it cancel means there are 4 weeks. Remainder is what? Again 3. So this is the code for what? March. Here how many times can cancel? This is not important. Remainder is important. Means odd days. Odd days. Why? Because this entire concept is based on odd days only. Right? Next, April month. For April month also, before April, March completed. March how many days are there? 31. That month code is what? 3. Total 34 days. Divided by 7. 6 times can cancel na? 6 times? No. 4 times only again. 4 7s are 28. Remainder is what? 6. So this is the code for April. Now next May. May, what is the before May month? There are April 30 days and that month code 6. 36 by 7. 5 times get cancelled. Remainder is what? 1. Okay, up to 5 months completed. Clear? Next I'll erasing here. I'm writing remaining months. Or I've observed. So far what you get here, I'm writing here. See 0, 3, 3, 6, 1. Okay, up to here. Now next remaining months we'll see. This is for January, February, March, April and May. This is May. Now June. So June. Before June, which month completed? May. In that, how many days are there? 31 plus that month code is what? 1. Now 32 divided by 7. Again 4 terms get cancelled. Remainder is 4. This is the code for June. Now July. Now July before 30. Why? Because June month there are 30 days. Plus that month code 4. 34 by 7. There are 6 times. So sorry, 4 times. So remainder is 6. Next, August. Before August, July completed, there are 31 days. That month code 6. Now 37 by 7. 5 times get cancelled. Remainder is what? 2. Next, that is the code for August. Now next, September. So before September, August, there are 31 days again. Why? Because in the month of July there are 31 days. August also there are 31 days. Remember this point. Now 2. So 33 by 7. 5 times get cancelled. Sorry, 4 times get cancelled. Remainder is 5. Remainder is 5. Next, after September, October. October means before the month is what? September. How many days are there? 30. That month code 5. 35 by 7. Exactly 5 times get cancelled. Remainder is 0. Okay. Next, November. November means what? Before October there are 31 days. That month code 0. Now 31 by 7. How many times? 4 times. Remainder is 3. Now last for December. For December, before the November completed, 30 plus 3. Here 33 by 7. Again 4 times get cancelled. Remainder is what? 5. Remainder is 5. Now finally continuation here. What you got here? 4, 6, 2, 5, 0, 3, 5. Now this is what? May after what? June, July, okay, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, these are all the codes for month code. All of you remember. Now see, okay, different faculties may follow different codes. Okay, no need to worry about it. Why? Because so anyways finally you need to get the answer. That is important. Okay. Now here month code finally what you got here? This is for normal year. Okay. For leap year simply one technique is there. I'll tell you while solving the question. Now 0336125035. That is the code. Finally month codes. 12 months you have to remember. So how to remember this, sir? You have to remember like a phone number. See, we have India. What is the country code? 91. Instead of 91, you have to take it as a 03, and after that 36146-25035. 36146-25035. 36146-25035. Like that you have to remember. You have to write the first number. Below that you have to write the month names. Then you will get easily. Clear? Now we'll move on to the next century code. Century code. Again, first century. First century is nothing but how many years are there? 100 years are there. Correct? Now here, in first 100 years, how many leap years are there and how many normal years are there? So here, there are 24 leap years and 76 normal years. Why? Because as I told you, so 100th year is not a leap year. So based on that reason, here in first 100 years or first century, there are 24 leap years and 76 ordinary years. Now we know that for each leap year there are 2 odd days, as I discussed earlier. Now for each normal year there is 1 odd day. We have again here we are collecting odd days only. Based on odd days only you will get codes. This is also based on odd days only. This is also based on odd days only. Now see here. If you collect here complete weeks we do not require. Okay. Here also in every leap year there are 52 weeks and 2 odd days. In every normal year there are 52 weeks, 1 odd day. That weeks are do not required. Why? Because we want odd days. Now see 48 odd days and here 76. If you add up, you will get 124 odd days are there. Again, in this 124 days, some weeks are there. Na? Yes or no? 124 is more than 7. You have to find out how many weeks are there. Now, by doing 7, divided by 7, you will get 1 time. And remainder is what? 54. Again, 7 times. 49. Remainder is what? Remainder. 17 weeks are there again. After that, remainder is what? 5. This is the code for 100 years or first century. Clear all of you? Now, how to find out for the 200 years or second century, 200 years? Can I write this is 2 into 100? Is there any problem for you? We have already derived for the 100 years, correct? Here substitute 2 into 5, 10 odd days. 10 by 7 is nothing but again 10 is more than 7. 1 time can cancel, remainder is 3. That is the code for 200 years. Now, 400 years, sorry, 300 years. 3 into 100 is right. Now, 3 into 5, 15 by 7, 2 times can cancel, remainder is 1. That is the code for 300 years. Again, here for 100 we already derived, that is 5 code. I am substituting here. Then 15 by 7 is nothing but 2 times can cancel, remainder is 1. Now, finally for 400 years or 4th century. Here again 4 into 100, that is what? 4 into 5 only na? 20. Correct? But I am adding plus 1 also here. Why? Because we have already learnt about this 400 or 4th century. Every 4th century is a what? Leap year. Leap year means you have one more extra day. You are already considering as a normal year. You already added 1 day. But it is leap year means you will get one more extra day. That is I am adding here. Then 21 by 7. Exactly 3 times get cancel. Remainder is 0. This is the code for 400 years or 4th century. This cycle is repeating. Okay. Now for 500, what is the code? You will get again what? 5. For 600 you will get what? 3. For 700 you will get 1. For 800 you will get 0. Like that, this cycle is repeating. That's why you have to remember this only. For here I am writing century code. I am writing here. See, for 100 this is what? 5. For 200 the code is what? 3. For 300 the code is what? 1. For 400 the code is 0. 5310. Remember, 5310 is this cycle is repeating. Clear all of you? Next we will do some questions based on this. Hello dear students. Okay, we'll do first model question from the calendar. Before that, once again I'll revise the codes of different type of codes. That 3 different type of codes we'll discuss. So as I told you, day code. First of all, day code. Day code is nothing but what? Sunday. So whenever 0 odd days, your answer is Sunday. For Monday, 1 odd day it will be. For Tuesday, 2 odd days. For Wednesday, this is 3 odd days. For Thursday, 4 odd days. For Friday, 5. Then if it is 6 odd days left, then your answer is Saturday. We already discussed how derived these codes. Okay, now month codes. These are also very, very important. As I gave you already month code 03361462505. As I told you, okay, you have to remember like a mobile number. So 91 instead of 91, you have to remember it as a 03. Now 361462505. Now after that, below that you have to write this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December, like this. Okay, this is about what? Month codes. Then century codes. Century codes also I gave you. Okay. So what are the century codes? Here see. For 100 means first century 5. Then second century what? 3. Now for third century 1, then for the fourth century 0. So this cycle is repeating. Okay, and so on. Now extra 1600, that is what? 0. Why? Because it is multiple of 400. After this again 5310, 5310, it is repeating cycle. For 1700 is what? Again 5. For 1800 it is what? 3. For 1900 it is what? 1. Then for 2000 again 0. For 2100 again 5. Like this cycle is repeating. Clear? As I told you, here for 500 5. Okay, like this 5310, 5310 repeating. Otherwise you have to memorize like this also. 1900 is there na? 1900. You can write multiple of 400 plus remainder. Sir, why are you writing multiple of 400? Means after every 4th century cycle is repeating. So that's why I am writing multiple of 400. Why? Multiple of 400 is nothing but this entire century is code is for 16th century 0. Now remainder is what? 300. For 300 1 together 0 plus 1 it would be 1. Like this also you can write. Clear? So now these are about codes. Now we'll do the first model question, means finding the day of the week. So we'll go to the first question. Okay, now first of all, what was the day of the week on? What was the day of the week on? Day of the week on 15th August 1947. So this is Independence Day. We have to find out. Now see here. Now what we have to do, first of all, given date. Date here, what is the date? 15th August 1947. Now here how to solve? First of all, date as it is. Date you have to take as it is. Okay, date 15. Now August. Month is what? August. What is the code of August? Here as I told you have to write here. In rough work you have to write like this: 03361462535. Now see, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August means 2. So here what? 2. Next, 1947. Here we have to take 15th August. Given date is what? 15th August 1947. So complete years we have to take. 1947 is still going on according to that date. Okay, if it is the given year, the 31st December 1947 also we have to consider that year is not yet completed. Okay, complete years we have to take. So that I write minus 1 means 1947 minus 1. So 1946. Now here see again date as it is and the month code. Now I am splitting century plus complete years. Century plus, observe carefully how I am doing. Okay, it is very easy. Within seconds you will get the answer. Now see, 15 plus 2 plus 1900 code. As I know 1. Otherwise you have to write in multiple of 400 plus remainder. In this case also for 1600 0 plus here 300 1. 0 plus 1 1 you will get. Okay. Now 46 years completed. Up to 1900 means 19th century we took the odd days, that is 1 only. Here we are collecting odd days. 15th means that number of odd days 15 days I am directly taking, and that month August there are 2 odd days are there, I am taking that also. Now 19th year, 1900 years completed, in that 1 odd day only there other than complete weeks. Again apart from this 46 years completed, in that, so how many, first of all we have to know how many leap years are there, yes or no, and how many normal years are there. Okay, for that what we have to do? Divided by 4 here. Why? Because every 4th year is a leap year, correct? Now in number apart from the century, okay, remaining case every 4th year is a leap year. When coming to the century, we know that every 4th century is a leap year. Remember this point, we have already discussed it. Now how many times get cancels? Cancel here nearestly, don't take decimal points. Here 11 times get cancelled. Here now what I am doing here, simple short trick here, 46 plus 11 I am adding here, I am getting 57 odd days. Sir, why are you adding here, sir? See, now I will tell you. See here, 46 years. Out of 46 complete years, there are 11 what? Leap years are there, and 46 minus 11, 35 normal years are there, correct? Now each leap year there are 2 odd days, correct? 11 into 2, we are collecting wherever you go, we are collecting odd days only. This concept based on odd days only. Now here 35 into 1, correct? Why? Because for each normal year there is one odd day. Now here 22 plus what? This 35. If you add everything, you will get 57. Instead of doing this procedure again, here for this is work out for all the cases. Now first of all we have to divide it by 4. Why? Because how many leap years are there, we have to know that. Now by 11. How many times we can say? 11 times. So 11, this, okay, quotient plus this dividend, if you add, you will get what? That number of odd days in that complete years you will get. Clear? Right. Now if you add everything, 15 plus 2 plus 1 plus 57. Now how much result actually? 17. 17 plus 1. 18. 18 plus 57. It gives what? 75. Correct? 18 plus what? 57. So 575. Correct? 75. Now total in this date 15th August 1947, including all the, okay, if you collecting all the odd days, you are getting 75. Again 75 is what? More than 7 only. Na odd days is nothing but what? In that period of, in terms of days, it should be, okay, extra days other than the complete weeks. So here again complete weeks are there. How to know how many complete weeks are there? Divided by 7. So how many will cancel? 10 times will cancel. Remainder. Here we have to take remainder, means that is odd days. There are 10 complete weeks. That complete weeks are we do not require here. We require only number of odd days. That is what remainder only na. How many odd days are left here? 5 days. As I told you, I gave you the beginning of this class. Again day code. 5 odd days means that is what? Friday. That is what? Friday. We got independence on Friday. Clear all of you? See, this is the procedure to solve the day of the week. This is 1947 is what? Normal year. This is for normal year. If it is leap year, how to do? I'll tell you. Clear? One more question we'll do based on this normal year. Then after we'll do based on leap year. Clear all of you? Okay, students, till now we'll discuss about some questions based on day of the week. Now, how to do step by step, once again I'll give to you. All of you make a note. Right here, see. First of all, check the year type. Year type means what? Whether it is leap year or normal year. How to check? If it is leap year, there are two conditions are there. One is what? Other than century means that year should be divisible by 4. Then it is a leap year, we consider as. If it is given year century, means it should be divisible by 400. Then only it is a leap year. We have already discussed this thing. Now next step. Second step, given year minus 1 we have to take. Why? Because for that given date, we have to consider that year is still running, not yet completed. So that's why we have to take complete years. Nothing but 1943, for example, 1943 minus 1, you can take 1942. Now next, third step, splitting this 1942 century plus complete years. I am writing now 1900 plus 42 like this. Why? Because we have code for the 19th century, right? Same as now fourth step, see here. If complete years are greater than or equal to 4, then what we have to do? Divided by complete years by 4. Correct? Divide complete years by 4. Now what you have to do then after that? See here, for example, 42 is there now here. 42 divided by 4. How many times we can see nearestly? 10 times. Correct? Here you have to add this quotient plus this dividend. Then you will get number of odd days in this complete years. That is but 52. 10 plus 42 is gives how much? 52. Like this. Clear all of you? Next step. Fourth step. Then the fifth step is what? Now total odd days. Now what we have to do? Date. What is the date given for that? Okay. Now month code, century code. We have here. Now step 4. Step 4 nothing but year. Okay. Plus if it is leap year, you have to leap year effect means plus 1 you have to add here. Leap year effect is nothing but what? Plus 1. If it is given year is leap year. And that too, when you have to add here, if the given year leap year and the date must be that note already given. Once go back. Okay, that date must be 1st March to 31st December. Then only you have to add. I'll write here. If it is leap year and date must be what? Date must be 1st March to 31st December. Then only you have to add +1. Otherwise, next. Now if it is normal year, what you have to do? Same date, month code, century code, step 4 here. Step 4 common. Here there is no leap year effect here. Clear all of you? If it is given here leap year and the date between 1st January to 29th February, no need to add leap year effect. Here date must be 1st March to 31st December. Then only you have to add leap year effect. Otherwise, you have to go for this. Okay, second method. Next, last step. If now you are after adding this odd days, if you get greater than or equal to 7, then you have to divide it by 7 and take the remainder. If your remainder is 0, your answer is Sunday. If your remainder is 3, your answer is Wednesday. If remainder is 5, your answer is Friday. Like that. Clear? This is the overall procedure to find the day of the week. Okay. By using this method, once again we will discuss one more question. So that is what is given 1st March 1943. Find the day of the week of 1st March 1943 for suppose. Now, according to this, we have to check whether year type, whether it is last 2 digits of the given number divisible by 4. No. Why? Because it is not divisible by 4 exactly. It is century year, not a century year. Means what it is? Given year is what? Normal year. Correct? Next. So, after that what we have to do? Next step. See, given year -1. So, 1943 -1 you have to take 1942. Clear? Next, third step. Splitting century plus 40, okay, remaining number. Now 19th century plus remaining number. So like this. Next, fourth step, what we have to do? If the complete years are more than 4, then we have to divide by 4. Correct? Divided by 4. Now quotient, how many times can I say? Nearestly. Don't take decimal point. 10 times. So 10 plus 42. As I told you, after add quotient and dividend. Divide. Now dividend is 42, quotient is 10. If you add these two, you will get 52. Now last, if it is leap year, you have to follow this procedure. Date plus month code plus century code and step 4 plus leap year effect plus 1. When if the leap year, given year leap year and the date must be 1st March to 31st December. Okay. Remaining case, we have to go for normal year. If it is okay leap year also, date must be, this should be only. All of you remember this point. Next, but this is what given year normal year only, so we have to go this method. Now take date what is given first, so 1st March 1 plus month code, March month code is what 3 plus now century code 1900 code is what 1. As I told you, you can I have already given in the previous classes. Okay, previous beginning of this class. Otherwise, I have already given. So 1900 code is 1. Otherwise, you can write it into 1600 plus 300. Multiples of 400 is what? 400 code is 0. So multiples of 400 code is 0. Now 300 is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So that's why I took 1 here. Next, here we got already fourth step. Step 4, 52. Now we add everything. 1 plus 3 plus 1, 5 plus 52, 57. Now, if total is greater than or equal to 7, we have to divide the total by 7. Then take the remainder. Now, how many times can cancel? Nearestly 8 7s are 56. Remainder is what? 1. 1 is nothing but Monday. Clear? So, like this, you will get correct answers in all the cases. This is the best, okay, easiest procedure for you. Okay, dear students, we will discuss next question. What was the days of the week for the following? First given 12th February 2011. Second given 17th April 2003. Now see, first both are what? Normal years only. Okay, we'll do. Now first 12th February 2011. Now see, date as it is, as I told you, February code. So January, February 3 plus splitting century plus complete years. Don't forget this thing. Here I am taking first of all complete years. Okay, 2010. Why? Because for that date, that year is still going on, not yet completed. So 2000 complete years -1 you have to take complete years. Now then splitting century plus complete years. Now 12 plus 3, here century What is the code for 2000? 0. We know already. Why? Because this is multiple of 400. Nothing but 4th century. Now, again 10 years. In this 10 years, complete years, there are some leap years. Yes or no? By divided by 4. Wow, how to know that? By dividing 4. Why? Because other than century, okay, number form, we have to divide by 4. Why? Because every 4th year is a leap year. Now, how many times we can see nearestly 2 times. Now, as I told you, this coefficient and this dividend, if you add, you will get number of odd days in this particular 10 years, completed years. Now, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus what? 12. So, it is 27 divided by 7. Why? Because 27 odd days are there in this, okay, date. Now, again more than 7. So, how many times we cancel? 3 times. Remainder is what? 6. Saturday. This is what? Saturday. Next question. Second question. See, given date is what? 17th April 2003. Now see here. Now 17 plus April code is what? January, February, March, April 6. Okay. Now 2002 only you have to take here. Correct? Why? Because complete years. Now 17 plus 6 plus next what? 2000 plus 2. Why? Because century plus complete years. Again 17 plus 6 plus here 2000 code again 0. 2000 code is again 0. Now here see. Here shall we divide it by 4 or not? Here no need to divide it by 4. Why? Because here after 2000 means years or 20th century only 2 years completed. Those 2 are what? Normal years. Each normal year there is 1 odd day. So 2 into 1, 2 odd days directly given here. Directly you can take that only. Here no need to divide it by 4. Whenever you have to divide it by 4, complete years should be 4 or more than 4. Then only you have to divide it by 4. Remember this point. Whenever you have to divide it by 4, whenever that number of complete years are 4 or more than 4. Right? Now 17 plus 6 is what? 17 plus 6 23. 23 plus 2 25. Again 25 more than 7, more than a week, nothing but. So how many times? 3 times again. What is the remainder? 4. 4 is nothing but what? Thursday. Thursday. Clear? So this is the solution for these 2 different dates. Clear? Next we'll move on to the next question. Okay, we'll move on to the next questions. What was the days of the week for the following? Again, first given is what? 1st January 1901. Second question given 2nd February 1800. Let me check. Now see, first one, 1st January 1901. Now, see how to solve this one. So very easy. See. So first, as it is January code is 0. Yes. Now plus 1900. Why? Because complete years we have to take. Correct? Now here 1 plus 0 plus 1900 code is what? 1, we know that already. Why? Because it is multiple of 1600 plus 300. So 1600 is 400. Multiple of 400 plus 300. Okay. Is we know that. Now total number of days are how many? Odd days? 2 only. Here again no need to divide by 7. Why? Because if whenever you have to do divided by 7, if the number of odd days are 7 or more than 7. Why? Because in a week we have 7 days. So that's why. Here 2 odd days left. 2 is nothing but Tuesday. This is what answer? Tuesday. Now see here. Directly if you know the concept, then directly 1 plus 0 plus 900 code is 1. Directly without doing this you can tick the mark. Tuesday your answer. Next, this second question. 2nd February 1800. For this what we have to take? 2nd February code 03. Yes, January, February 3. Now 1800. Here complete years you have to take. 1799 you have to take. Clear? Now 2 plus 3 plus 1799 means again splitting into century plus completed years. Now 2 plus 3. Next 1700 code is what? We know that already 5. Okay, 1600 plus 100 as I told you. Remember this always. 600 code is multiple of 400 0. 100 code is what? 5. Now complete years are complete years are more than 4. If it is whenever 4 are more than 4, we have to divide it by 4. Now how many times can cancel? 2 times. 1 is left 19. Now 4 4s are 60. Nearest only you have to take. Now what I told you, directly add this quotient and this dividend. 24 plus 99, so 123. Now if you add everything, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 123, 133. Again 133 is more than 7 divided by 7. How many times can cancel? 1 10 nearestly, 1 7 are 7. Now 6 left, 63. Correct? 30 minus 7 is 6 only. 63 means 9. 0 is the remainder. Nothing but Sunday. Okay? The 2nd February, 1800 days of the week is what? Sunday. Clear? Next we will move on to the based on leap year. Okay, dear students, next move on to the next questions. Here see, what was the days of the week for the following? Here, see, observe carefully, first question. Here, 19th April, what? 2024. It is other than century. So, whether it is leap year or not, how to know? Divided by last, okay, the entire number should be divisible by 4. Yes, how to know? Divided by last 2 digits. Yes, it is exactly divisible, so it is a leap year. Correct? Given year is what? Leap year. Given year, leap year. Now, here one leap year effect is there. Whenever it is, if it is given year leap year, while solving the month codes, I took here for the February month 28 days only. Correct? So, but in the month of February, you will get one more extra day according to the leap year effect. As we discussed how would leap year, okay, we discussed already. Now, same procedure. 19 plus, what is the code for April? January, February, March, April 6. Okay, now 2023, everything is same. Complete year. Here also you have to take complete years only, but plus 1. We are adding here plus 1. Why? Because in the leap year we have one extra day. When it will get extra day? In the month of February, that is 29th February. Correct? Now here see, 19 plus 6. Now here splitting the century plus completed years plus 1. This is what? Leap year effect. LE, leap year effect. Now 19 plus 6 plus 2000 code, as we know that 0. Now 23 divided by 4. Why? Because complete years, if whenever 4 are more than 4, you have to divide it by 4. Exactly 5 times get cancel. 5 plus 23, 28 plus 1. Now we add all odd days. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 28, 53, 54. Total number of odd days are 54. Again, more than 7 means we have to divide by 7. How many times nearestly? 7 sevens are 49. Remainder is 5. 5 is nothing but 5 odd days is nothing but what? Friday. 5 odd days is nothing but Friday. Clear? Now move on to the next question. 2nd February 1964. Yes, this is also leap year. Last 2 digits of the given number should be divisible by 4. So this is also leap year. Now same procedure. 2nd February code is what? 3. Now 1963 completed years. Now 2 plus 3, 1900 splitting plus 63. Here I am not adding leap year effect. Why? I am not adding leap year effect. Why? Here see. The given date is 22nd February 1964. If you observe carefully, when you will get extra day? After completion of 29th February. Correct? So that's why in the normal year from 1st January to 28th February, how many days are there? In the leap year also, 1st January to 28th February, same number of days. So when you will get 29th February after that, even if the given date is 29th February also, no need to add plus 1. No need to take leap year effect. I'll give note for this. Okay, why? After completion of 29th February, you will get one extra day. See, today is first day. Tomorrow is second day. We call this. After 2 days means what? Okay, if today for suppose first date, so after 2 days means that is third date. Second date means what? That is tomorrow. 1 day only completed. Second day is nothing but before 1 day only completed. 2 days means what? After 2 days means what? 2 days completed. Okay, so that's why after completion of 29th February only you will get extra day. Even the date given 29th February also, it is, if it is leap year and the date given 29th February also, no need to add leap year effect. Here no need to add. Means okay, now same procedure for the, okay, now 1900 code is what? 1. Now 63 by 4. How many times get cancelled? 1 time nearestly 23 5 times. So now 15 plus 63 is how much? 15 plus 63 78. Add everything. 5 6 plus 78. It gives 84. Again divided by 7. 1 time 14. 2 times. Remainder is 0. Nothing but Sunday. This is what? So 2nd February 1964 is what? Sunday. Okay. From this I'll give you one note for you. One note, that is what, see, observe carefully all of here. I am writing note. Note is what, see here. If the given year leap year and the date must be, okay, 1st January to 29th February, no need to add leap year effect. In this case, no need to add leap year effect. Now, second note, this is first note, this is second note. If it is given year leap year and the date between 1st March to 31st December, then here we have to add plus 1. Here you have to add plus 1. So this is the note for you. All of you make a observe carefully here. Okay. So note is what here? Whenever the given year leap year and the date between 1st January to 29th February, no need to add plus 1. Okay. Whenever given year is leap year and the first date is must be 1st March to 31st December, you have to add both dates are included. Here also both dates are included. Remember this point. Clear? Okay students, we'll move on to the next question. What was the days of the week for the following? Again, first question, 19th December 1984 given. So, first of all, you have to check the given year whether it is leap year or not. So, yes, now the given date is what? 19th December 1984. Yes, given year is a leap year. Why? Because last 2 digits of the given number is divisible by 4. So, entire number is divisible by 4. Right? Now, then 19 as it is, December code. Here as I told you, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So 5. Code is what? December is what? December month 5. Now complete years. Whether it is given year, leap year or normal year. First of all, we have to take complete years. That year, even it is 31st December also, that is a current year. Okay. For that date. Now 9th year plus 1. Why? Because this is a leap year and as I told you, note I gave you na, if the date is between 1st March to 31st December, if the given year leap year and the date must be 1st March to 31st December, you have to add plus 1. Leap year effect. For this leap year effect is there. Now plus 5 on 1900 plus 83. Splitting into century plus number of complete years. As I told you, now 19 plus 5 plus 1900 code is what? 1, as I told you. Now 83 by 4. When if it is 4 or more than 4 complete years, you have to divide it by 4. So everything I told once again. Okay, check with that. Now 2 times 20 times 20 plus 83. As I told you, this coefficient and this dividend you have to add. Then you will get number of odd days in this complete years. So 103 plus 1. Now everything add 9, 24, 25, 25 plus 128, 129. So 129 by 7. Again more than 7. See how many? 1 time 59. Yes or no? 1 7s are 7, 59 remainder means 8 7s are 56. 56 means 3 is the remainder. 3 is nothing but Wednesday. So 19th December 1984 is what? Wednesday. Just move on to the next question. Here see. 29th February what? 2004 given. This is also what? Leap year. Now, but here no need to add plus 1. Why? Because the date is 29th February 2004. As I told you, if the date is between 1st January to 29th February, both dates are included. No need to add plus 1. Now, why I told you for the 1st January to 28th February in the normal year, how many days are there? In the leap year also 1st January to 20th February, same number of days. After completion of 29th February, you will get extra one day. So that's why after completion of 29th February, when it completion of 29th February means, then you have to add from the 1st March. Right now, February code is what? 3. Plus splitting century complete years. First of all, you have to take complete years. Now 29 plus 3 splitting century plus complete years. See here, complete years 3 only here. No need to add by divided by 4. Why? Because after this we have up to 2000 years we got code. Now here complete years 3 only. These are what? Normal years. Each normal year 1 day is there. 3 normal years, 3 odd days are there. That's it. 29 plus 3. Here 0 code. Why? Because multiple of 400 as I told you. Now this is 3 as it is. Now 29 plus 3 32. 32 plus 3 35. Correct? Divided by 7. 5 times exactly cancel. Remainder 0. Here you have to consider remainder. How many times get cancelled? That is not required. Remainder is important. Remainder 0. 0 odd days is nothing but what? Sunday. If it is 3 odd days is nothing but Wednesday. Like that. Now see here. Once again I am telling you here. Here 2000 plus complete years 3 here. For 2000 year 0 odd days are there. Means 20,000 20th century. Sorry. Now after that there are 3 years completed. For these 3 are what? Normal years only. Yes or no? So that's why no need to divide it by 4 here. When you will get leap year, every 4th year is a leap year. But here 3 years only completed. How you will get leap year? So that's why no need to do divided by 4 here. Clear? Okay, my dear students, we'll move on to the next model, that is to find the day of the week after or before X days. Okay, now before moving to this concept, I'll give one note for you. Day after 2 days and after 2 days are generally considered as the same. See, in your question they make you like this. Today is Wednesday. What will be the day after 94 days? Or sometimes they make you, if today is Wednesday, after 94 days, what will be the day of the week? Like that also, both are same. What I am trying to tell you, both are same. Correct? How? See, for suppose, today what is the given? Wednesday. Okay. If you take day after 2 days is nothing but, after completion of Wednesday, you will get Thursday. Correct? How many days completed? 2 days. Day after 2 days is what? Next? Friday. Correct? Means it is referring to 3rd day. Now, when going to this one, after 2 days, what will be the day of the week? See, if today is Wednesday, after 2 days is what? Again, first day completed and Thursday completed. Next it refers to Friday again. That is also what? 3rd day only. Na? Friday is nothing but. This is also refers to what? Friday. 3rd day nothing but. This is also refers to 3rd day. Both are same. That's why I am telling you. Now, one more thing. If we know that one concept. If any one particular day, for Monday, today is Monday, after 7 days, again Monday is coming. Correct? Why? Because we have 7 days per a week. This is cycle is repeating. Based on that, see, see, for suppose today is Monday. Next what? Tuesday. Next Wednesday. Next Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Monday. Yes or no? Now how many days after Monday? Once count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 days, again it is Monday. Clear? So remember this concept. After 7 days, if you what day you start, again after 7 days, same day you will get. Right? Right. Very nice. Very nice. Next, we'll move on to the, see this question. Now, today is Wednesday. What will be the day after 94 days? Now see here. Wednesday, we know that day codes. For if it is 3 odd days, that is Wednesday code, correct? So what is the code for Wednesday? 3, we know that. Okay, remember this. You have to memorize all the codes for Sunday 0 as I gave you. Okay. Now here see. Now they are asking what? After 94 days. Now here I am dividing this 94 by 7. Why I am dividing? As a now only I told you. So after 7 days, what? Again Wednesday will come. After 7 days, again Wednesday will come. After 7 days, again Wednesday will come. That's why how many like that it is repeating. You have to check. Now how many times repeating? One time. Nearest to 24, 3 times. Means 13 times. First starts with Wednesday. Again, next after 7 days, again it is Wednesday. After 7 days, again it is Wednesday. Yes or no? So like that, here 1, 2, 3 and so on, 4, 13 times it will happen. Okay, after 7 days, Wednesday. Like this. Now, after that, how many days remainder here? 13 times get cancelled means 3 is the remainder only na? Now, we know that already Wednesday code is 3. Otherwise, here directly writing here Wednesday plus 3 means for this Wednesday you have to add 3 more days. Then you will get after 94 days what will be the day of the week. Now see, we know already Wednesday code is 3. 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6. 6 is nothing but what? Saturday. Your answer is what? Saturday. Like this you have to solve. Clear? We'll do some more questions. We'll see one more question. Today is Thursday. Day after 59 days will be here. Day after 59 days. Same as I told you. Now today Thursday. You know already. Okay. Now what I have to do? Simply Thursday. Code is what? Thursday code as we know that is 4. Okay. Remember this point. Now 59 days after. So Thursday after 59 days. Again divided by 7 as we know that. Now here 59, how many times get cancelled? 8 7s are 56, remainder is 3. Here, what is the code for Thursday? 4. Here, remainder is what? Remainder only you have to take here. Here, 8 7s are 56, remainder is what? 3. 3 add here, so 7. Here, 7 means what again? If it is, whenever, as we discussed already, whenever odd days are 7 or greater than 7, we should divide it by 7. Now divided by 7, one time get cancelled. Remainder, here also remainder 0. 0 is nothing but what? Sunday. Your answer is what? Sunday. We'll see next question on the same model. Today is Monday. Before 286 days, what was the day of the week? Again, so for Monday code is what? For Monday code is 1. Now, Monday, previous what? 286 days. By 7. Why? Because every 7 days Monday is repeating. Now how many times cancel? 4 7s are 28, 40 times. Remainder is what? 6. Actually what we have to do? Monday, okay, remainder is what? 6 actually here, remainder. So before, okay, 6 days, Monday before 6 days we have to take actually. Okay, so how we will take actually? See Monday here. Monday before what? Sunday. Sunday before what? Saturday. Saturday before what? Friday. Friday before what? Thursday. Thursday before what? Wednesday. Wednesday before what? Tuesday. Now check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 days ago. What is the answer? Tuesday. But it will take time for you. That's why what I told you. Monday code is what? 1. 1 minus 6 is what? Minus 5. If minus 5 means negative means what you have to do? Simply to convert into positive, you should add plus 7. Why? Because in a week, how many days are there? 7. After 7 days, cycle is repeating. So that's why plus 7 means what? 2. 2 is nothing but what? Tuesday. Directly, you can take Tuesday. Clear? Okay, we'll move on to the next question. See here. If today is Thursday, before 59 days, what was the day of the week? Same here. If today is Monday, after 7 days, okay, how you will get Monday? Again, if today is Monday, before 7 days also you will get Monday. Same concept here also. So now, what is the given? Thursday. So Thursday code you have to take, that is 4. Thursday code. Right now, here, before 59 days, means what we have to do? Thursday minus 59 by 7. Why? Because every 7 days, it is repeating same day. So how many times can cancel? 8 times. Remainder take here. 8 7s are 56. Remainder is 3. So Thursday code is what? 4. 4 minus 3 1. 1 is nothing but Monday. 1 is nothing but what? Monday. So your answer is Monday. Now next question from the same model. See, today is Monday. Before 59 days, what was the day of the week? Here see, what is the, okay, change here. Now Monday code is what? As we know that Monday code is 1. Now Monday minus before 59 by 7, as we know that. Now how many times can cancel nearestly? 8 times. Remainder is what? 3. Now Monday code is what? 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. Sir, what is the code? Okay, day of the week for minus 2. Do we have any? No, we have for 0, for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, for 6. But what about minus 2 means what? Here we know that every 7 days, okay, the cycle is repeating. So simply to convert into positive, add plus 7 here. Then it will become 5. 5 is nothing but what? Friday. Your answer is Friday. Correct? Okay, we'll move on to the next question. See here. If today is Thursday, before 59 days, what was the day of the week? Same here. If today is Monday, after 7 days, okay, how you will get Monday? Again, if today is Monday, before 7 days also you will get Monday. Same concept here also. So now, what is the given? Thursday. So Thursday code you have to take, that is 4. Thursday code. Right now, here, before 59 days means what we have to do? Thursday minus 59 by 7. Why? Because every 7 days it is repeating same day. So how many times can cancel? 8 times. Remainder take here. 8 7s are 56. Remainder is 3. So Thursday code is what? 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 is nothing but Monday. 1 is nothing but what? Monday. So your answer is Monday. Okay, my dear students, we'll move on to the next model. That is, on what dates of August 1984 did Monday fall? Here what they are asking, simply they gave month and year simply. Okay, and they are asking in that month of that year. So how many Mondays are there and what dates are? So we have to find out that. So how to find out? So if you find the 1st August 1984, then you will get to know what was the day of the week for that date. Based on that, if you get that is Sunday, 1st August is 1984, if example I am telling, if Sunday means 2nd is what? Monday. Again after every 7 days it is repeating, then you will get remaining, okay, Mondays also. Okay, let us do this question. Now see, for suppose 1st August 1984 given. So what is the procedure? I have already given. First of all, we have to take date as it is to finding the day of the week. Right? Next, August month code. See, here already given. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August is 2. Now, here complete years we have to take. 1983. Before that, what we will check whether it leap year or not. So here, yes, is it given here leap year or not? Yes, leap year only. Why? Because last 2 digits of the given number exactly divisible by 4. So the entire number is exactly divisible by 4. It is a leap year. Leap year means what? Leap year effect is there. That is +1 we have to add. Don't forget. Now +2. Now century plus years, complete years. Here complete years is again, if it is 4 or more than 4, we have to divide it by 4. Very nice. Now nearest how many times can cancel? 20 times. Here +1 as it is. Now we have to add 20 plus 83, as I told you. After dividing this coefficient and dividend you have to add. Now 1 plus 2, as what is the 1900 code? 1. So now 20 plus 83, it is 103 plus 1. So now entire sum of odd days, 1 plus 2, 3, 4 and 107, 108. Total number of odd days are what? 188. 188 is 7 or more than 7, so we have to divide it by 7 and take the remainder. 1 time get cancelled nearestly 7, okay, 38 is there. 5 7s are what? 35. Remainder, take the remainder 3. 3 is nothing but what? Wednesday. Means we got 1st August what? 1984 is what? Wednesday. Now from this 2nd August 1984 is what? Thursday. Now 3rd August 1984 is what? Friday. Now 4th August 1984 is what? Saturday. Now 5th August 1984 is what? Sunday. Now 6th August 1984 is Monday. Yes, we want Mondays only na. Now you got first Monday in this month is 6th. Again After every 7 days is Monday. Now 6 plus next 13. Yes, 13 also Monday. Now next what? 13 after 20th also Monday. If you add plus 7, correct? Now next 27 also Monday. If you add plus 7, it becomes 34. In the month we don't have 30 August up to 31 only. So 4 Mondays are there. Dates are 6th August 1984, 13th August 1984, 20th August 1984, 27th August 1984. Clear? Very nice. Dear students, we'll move on to the next question. On what dates of October 2013 did Sunday fall? So as I told you, first of all we have to find out the 1st October 2013. Based on that you will get the rest of the days of the week in that month. Now here see, 1st October 2013. Now here is it, first of all what you have to do, check the whether it is leap year or not. Year type is what? Yes, last 2 digits of this number not divisible by 4, so this is not a leap year, normal year only. No need to add leap year effect. Now first place October code is what? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October 0. Now here complete years we have to take, that is 2012. Now next step what? 1 plus 0 plus century plus complete years, so that is 12. Now if it is complete years 4 or more than 4 divided by 4, how many times it can say? Nearestly 3 times. Now 1 plus 0 plus what is the code for 2000? 0, as I told you. So it is multiple of 5 into 400. 400 code is 0. 5 into 0, 0. Now 3 plus 12, it gives 15. Now if you add everything, 16. 16 by again 7. Why? Because more than 7. 2 times get cancelled. Remainder is what? 2. 2 is nothing but Tuesday. But we want Sunday. So 1st October 2013 is what? Tuesday we got. Now from that 2nd October is what? Wednesday. Now 3rd October is what? Thursday. Now 4th October is what? Friday. Next 5th October is what? Saturday. Again 6th October it is what? Sunday. Here also we got 6th only. Now after 6 again next would be what? Next after 7 days you will get 13. Next again 20, 27. 6, 13, 20, 27. So these are on the Sundays in the month of October 2013. Clear? Okay, look at this question. If 25th August in a year Thursday, then number of Mondays in that month is. Here this year they are not given whether it is normal year or leap year. Then that is not required here. Why? Because whether it is leap year or normal year, in the month of August we have 31 days only. Now 25th August what? Given in a year, whether it is any year, it can be normal year or leap year, no problem. What is the given? Thursday. From that we know that next you can take followed by days or previous days, no problem. We want what? Mondays. Mondays means if you take followed by days, 26th August is what? Friday. Now 27th August is what? Saturday. Now 28th August is what? Now Sunday. Now 29th August is what? Monday. Clear? Now we know that 29th August is Monday. Now before 7 days you will get Monday na? Here after 7 days also you will get, but after 29 only 2 days are there in the month of August. So this is the last Monday in this month. Now 29th before again 22nd also Monday, 7 days before. Now 7 days before is what? 15th August Monday. Now 7 days before is what? 8th August is Monday. 7 days before is what? 1st August also Monday. Now total Mondays are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many Mondays are there? Okay students, we'll move on to the next model, that is see. If 11th January 1997 was a Sunday, then what day of the week on 10th January 2000 they are asking. Here see, first of all I'll explain by using concept, otherwise after that I'll give you shortcut method. Okay, first of all by concept see. from this channel, first of all I'll explain concept only, by using concept only, okay, each and every question. Now see here, the given is what? 11th January, what? 11th January 1997, it is Sunday, correct? Now means in this year up to 11th January we know, correct? 11th, including 11th January, we know the days of the week. Now remaining 1997 is leap year or normal year? Normal year. Yes or no? In this how many days are there? 365 days. And remaining already 11 days completed. Means up to 11th we know the days of the week. So subtract it. Then remaining days are 354. Correct? Now in between what are the years are there? 1997 after 1998. 1998 is what? Normal year. In this how many days are there? 365 days. Now 1999, this is also normal year. In this how many days are there? 365 days. Now 2000. In this 2000 we want up 10th January only. 10 days only have to consider. Okay, why? Because not fully year really. Here we want 10th January. What was the day of the, what will be the day of the week? Now see. Now if you add everything, what will get here? See 10, 14, now 12, 18, 19. Correct? Now 1094 days. These, okay, days after what will be the day of the week. That's it, simple. After 11th January. So again, what is the logic? Whenever the number of odd days, we are correcting odd days simply. We are taking all the days. Now you got 1094 divided by 7. Now you will get odd days in this entire, okay, scenario. Now here see. How many times can cancel? One time nearestly, and 7 39. 39 means 5 sevens are 35. 4 44 means 6 sevens are 42. Remainder is what? 2 odd days. Now we know that Sunday code is what? 0. Sunday plus 2 is nothing but what? Tuesday. 0 plus 2. 2 is nothing but what? Tuesday. So 10th January 2000 is a what? Tuesday. This is concept, by using concept. Now by using shortcut method, as I told you how to do. See here, shortcut method I explain here. All of you observe carefully here. Now what is the given? 11th January 1997. 11th January 1997. It is what? Sunday. Now we need to find out 10th January 2000 is what? So this is the, we have to find out. First of all, you should write for the given date, day of the week, right? Okay, right in the bottom, and the what we have to find out right in the top. Now you have to do subtract. How to do subtractions are here. See, simply you have to take here 10 minus 11. This is what? Minus 1. Correct? Next, here I am writing here Sunday plus 2, it is Tuesday. Nothing but 0 plus 2. Okay? Right. Here January code you have to take. Here January code 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0 only, plus 0. Now 2000 minus 1997 is what? Plus 3 only, na? Right? Now this is the now entire odd days. Now 3 minus 1 is nothing but total. If you add everything, you will get 2 only, na? Positive 2 only, na? Now Sunday plus 2, Tuesday. Sunday plus 2, Tuesday. Correct? But here one more thing, observe carefully. Just the given year is what? Leap year here. 2000 is a leap year. But here no need to add leap year effect. In between, if there are any leap year, you should take extra one odd day. Correct? Remember this point. But here the date is 10th January 2000. Means when you will get extra day, as I told you, after completion of 29th February in that year, in that leap year. But here the date is below that only. So no need to add leap year effect. Okay, we'll solve one more question based on this, then you'll get idea. Clear? Students, we'll move on to the next question. It was Tuesday on 5th April 2005. What was the day of the week on 1st March 2010? That is the question for you. So, this question is how to do? Same. Odd days concept only. Here also, by using odd days only, we will solve this question. How? Let us see. Here, I am going to give two different methods. One is by using concept, another one is by shortcut method. Okay? Right. First of all, by using concept, let us solve. Now given date is what? 5th April 2005. It was Tuesday. It is given what? Tuesday. And moreover we know that the what is the code of Tuesday is what? 2. Tuesday's code is what? 2. Right. Now here, next. Here in this year 2005, this is normal year. Yes or no? In this year there are 365 days. But up to 5th April days are given already. Means we have to subtract that days completed. That days are completed. Correct? Now up to 5th April, how many days are there in the 2005? In the see how many months completed? January completed, there are 31 days. February completed, there are 28 days. Why? Because this is a normal year. And 31st days are there in the March month and 5th April. Now together is how much? 365 minus 31 plus 31, 62, 62 plus 28, 90, 95. So it gives what? 270. Correct? Now 270 odd day, 270 days are there apart from 5th April, remaining days. Now we have to take odd days. How can you take? By dividing 7. Now 3 7s are 21, remainder 60, 8 7s are what? 56, remainder is what? 4 odd days are there in this 2005 year after solving this. Next 2006, this is what? Normal year. How many days are there? 365. As we know that if you divide by 7, there are 52 weeks, 1 odd day. Consider finally we want only odd days only. Now 2007. So again, if you take it as normal year only by again odd day, 1 odd day. Now 2008, it is what? Leap year. There are 366 days. How many odd days are there? 2 odd days. Now 2009, there are 365 days, 1 odd day. Now 2010, see here. Here we want up to 1st March only, not entire year here. So that's why up to 1st March, how many days are there? That we have to consider. Now we know that this is January month, there are what? 31 days. February month, there are 28 days. Together is how much? 59 and 1st March, 60 days are there here. 60 days you have to consider here. Correct? Up to year. How many days we have to consider? 60 days only. Why? Because I'll write here otherwise. January there are 31 days, February and 1st March. We want 1st March so 60 days. Again 60 is more than 7 divided by 7 means 8 7s are 56, remainder is 4 odd days. Now total odd days are how many? 4 plus 1 5 6 8 8 plus 1 9 13 odd days are there. Total how many odd days are? 13. Again more than 7. More than 7 means what? Divided by 7. 1 time get cancel. Remainder is what? 6. Now, actually 5th April 2005 is what? Tuesday. That is code is 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 is again here for this after. 5th April you are considering. That's why you have to consider this Tuesday. So 2 plus 6, 8. 8 again. Number of odd days here. More than 7. Remember more than 7. 7 or more than 7 divided by 7. Remember this point. 1 time get cancelled. 1 is the remainder. So Monday. So when you will get Monday. Clear? That is 1st March 2010 is Monday. Now by using shortcut method. Here how to do. First of all, the date given. Day of the week given, that date, what is the year? 5th April 2005. 5th April 2005. Here you have to write here Tuesday. Given day also given. Now what we have to find here? 1st March 2010. 1st March 2010. Here you have to write here. Why? Because top. This is below of this. We have to write. Now subtract. What is the day of the week given, that you write in the bottom, and what we have to going to find, that you have to write in the top. Now you have to do subtraction. Here what you have to do? Subtraction. How to subtract, sir? No need to worry. Here 1 minus 5 minus 4 only na. Now March code. How to subtract March month, May, April? So their codes. March code is what? 3. April code is what? 6. 3 minus 6 minus 3. Now 2010 minus 2005 plus 5. Now in between any leap years are there, that also you have to consider. Yes, 2008 is a leap year is there na? Here you will get one more extra odd day, that you have to add here, one extra odd day. Clear? Any other left here? That's it. Now here if you add everything, 5 plus 1 6 minus 7 plus 6 nothing but minus 1 only na? Minus 1 is nothing but Tuesday here, one day back, Monday. Tuesday minus 1 is nothing but 2 minus 1, 1. 1 is nothing but Monday. Your answer is Monday. Here also you are getting same answer. Here also you are getting same answer. Then your answer is correct. Clear? So this is the shortcut method. So first of all, okay, go through this general method, means concept. Then you will get this. Okay, right. Thank you. Okay, dear students, we move on to the next question. If 1st January 2026 was a Thursday, then what day of the week on 22nd November 2032? So as I told you, okay, first of all we'll do by concept, another method by shortcut method also we'll do. First by using concept. See what is the given? 1st January what? 2026. It is what? Thursday. Thursday is nothing but code is what? 4. Remember this point. Now see, in the year 2026, this is normal year, correct? In this already 1st January given, means one day completed. So in this there are 365 days minus 1, 364 days. 364 by 7 you will do directly. Now here 5 times and 2 times, there is no remainder odd days, 0 odd days here, nothing but remainder is nothing but. Next 2027, it is in this we are collecting odd days directly. Clear? 365 days. Again we know that in the normal year there is one odd day, correct? Directly right here, one odd day. There are 52 weeks, one odd day, we know already. Now 2028, again 365. This is 365. No, this is leap year na, 366 days. Now how many odd days are there? 2 odd days. Next 2029, it is what? Again normal year, there are one odd day. Now 2030, it is normal year, again there is one odd day. Now 2031, it is normal year, there is one odd day. Now when 2032, it is leap year, but up to we want 22nd November only, we have to consider. Why? Because we want 22nd November 2032, not entire year. Now up to 22nd November, how many number of days are there? Simply if you count January, February like this, okay, no need to count like that. Simply you have to subtract December and this 80 days na, from the 366 days, then you will get remaining days. Okay, in the month of December there are 31 days, and in this how many days are need to there? 8 days, 8 more days are there. Then total, I am understanding all of you here. Actually we need to consider total, we need to consider up to 22nd November how many number of days are there. So for that what I am doing, we know already there are 366 in this leap year, but up to 22nd November how many days means what? After 22nd November, so 23rd up to 30 November there are 8 days, plus next month is what? 31. That date's not completed. We want up to 22nd November only. That's why I am subtracting. Now 366 minus what? This 39. It gives how much? 16 minus 7. 16 minus 9, 7. Now 5 minus 3, 2. And 327. 327 odd days are there. Again 327 divided by 7. Why? Because see, all we take here in the form of odd days only, remainder. Like that here also you can take. 4 times 4 sevens are 28. 47. Now 6 sevens are 42. Remainder is what? 5. 5 odd days. Now we add all these odd days. 0 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Total odd days are how many? 11. 11 means what? More than 7. So divided by 7. One time get cancelled. 4 is the remainder. Now what we have to do? For this 4 you have to add this remainder. What? This is Thursday given na? 1st January 2026. 4 plus 4, again it gives 8. 8 again more than 7 divided by 7. One time get cancelled. Remainder is 1. 1 is nothing but Monday. Your answer is what? Monday. Correct. Now this is general procedure. How to do by using shortcut method. Now shortcut method I'll explain here. All of you look at the board carefully. Now as I told you, 1st January, okay, 2026 was Thursday. You have to write, okay, bottom of this. Now what you have to find out? Now 22nd November 2032, 22nd November, okay, 2032 is what day of the week. Now as I told you, subtract. What we have to do? Subtract. Now 22nd minus 1, 21. November code is what? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 3. So what is the code for January? 0. Now 3 minus 0, 3. This is what? 21. 22 minus 1. Now plus 2032 minus 2026 means how much you will get here? 32 minus 26. 6 only, na? Correct? But in between, how many leap years are there? We have to check, as I told you. Simply, you have to do, okay, here in between there is a 2028 leap year, yes, plus 1 extra day you will get. Again, 2032 also leap year, you will get 1 more extra day. Why? Because the date is after 1st March given. If it is 1st March to 31st December, you have to consider as a odd day, as I told you. Now plus 2. Now together is how much? 21 plus 24, 32. 32 by 7. Why? Because whenever odd days more than 7, we have to do divided by 7. How many times can cancel? 4 times nearestly. Remainder is what? 4. Again, here also Thursday code is what? 4. Again, 4 plus 4, 8 odd days. 8 divided by 7, 1 time get cancelled. Why? Because after Thursday, we have to, okay, next what will be the day of the week we are finding. So that's why 1 is the remainder again. 1 is nothing but Monday. If you do this short trick also, or by using this procedure also, you will get same answer. Clear? Okay, my dear students, we'll move on to the next concept, that is same calendar year. Same calendar year. See, the calendar of 2009 will repeat in which year? That is the question for you. Now, what is the same calendar means? What? First of all, if it is a given year is normal year, if it is starts with 1st January Monday and it ends with Monday also, means 31st December ends with Monday. Why? Because if it is normal year. If it is leap year, if January 1st starts with Monday, then 31st December ends with Tuesday. Why? Because we have 2 odd days. Okay? If here in this normal year we have 1 odd day, means it will end same day. Why? Because after 7 days we will get same day. Same that concept only, na? Now here, see, simply remember, if it is normal year, whatever the day of the week it starts, it ends with same day. If it is leap year, whatever the day of the week it starts, it ends with the next day of that day of the week. Clear? Right. Now, we know that already shortcuts for this, find out the, same calendar year. But first of all, I will give the shortcuts. How it will come from the concept also I'll explain. Okay? Right. So, if it is leap year plus 1 format, we need to add plus 6 years. If it is leap year plus 2 format, we need to add plus 11 years. Correct? 11 years. Now, if it is leap year plus 3 format, we need to add plus 11 years again. Now, if it is given year itself leap year, we need to add plus 28 years. Okay, this is the actually shortcut. How it will come by concept, now I will explain for you. First, let us take this given year 2009. 2009. Okay, next after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 like that. Now take the odd days for this years. Now 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 like that it is going on. Now see, same here also based on odd days. After 7 days we are given year with next year we have to compare. Then if it is possible you will get same calendar, otherwise we have to move for the next 7 days. Now see here, while you are comparing, remainder should be 0. Means, see how here, all of you look at the board. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here there is no remainder. Exactly 7 days. Okay. Now 0 remainder, you can compare. Now 2009 is what? Normal year. 2015 is what? Normal year. Yes, it is possible. Means after 2009, again next same calendar 2015 you will get. Clear? Means how many years we are adding? 6 years only. Na? So that's why this short trick work out for this. Next, you can go for 2010. Now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 like that. Again, now I am taking odd days of this months. Now see here. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Why? Because this is normal year 1 odd day, normal year 1 odd day. You know all these things. Leap year 2 odd days, normal year 1, normal year 1, normal year 1, leap year 2. Okay, like this. Again, do same procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7. Yes, here 2 odd days. Sorry. Okay, now compare with this and next. Yes, here see, observe carefully, all of you. Now 2010 is what? Normal year. But 2016 is what? Leap year. How it is possible? Here 2010 normal year means there are 365 days. Same calendar means what? In this also 365 days. Next year, see here 2009 normal years 365 days. 2015 also normal year 365 days. No problem. But here there are 365 days. Here there is 366 days. Okay, whatever the day starts, same date it will end. But it will end with next day. How it is possible? Not possible. Then go for next 7 days. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Now we can take now 2010 compared with 2021. Yes. Here also normal year. This is also normal year. No problem. You can take. Then how many years we have to get? 11 years. That's why this concept. Next, if you take 2011. Now 2011 means what we will get? See 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, like that. Now see. Again, consider the number of odd days. Now here see, 2011, how many odd days are there? 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Like this. Now see, check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, here see, observe carefully. Here one remainder is there. Why? Because here 2 odd days are there. Okay, when you are counting, here remainder is there. Like this, we unable to compare for the next year. So go for next 7 days. Now here one left now, including this 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Now we can compare 2011 with 2022. Yes. It is also normal year. It is also normal year. Yes. Plus 11 years. After plus 11 years, it will come what? Next same calendar. Like this, it will work out. Clear all of you? Now what about leap year? Okay, for the leap year, we will see now. For the leap year, I am erasing this. Given year, if it is leap year, for suppose let's take 2008 or any leap year you can take, any leap year, no problem. 2008 now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, now 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, now 35 like that. Become I am taking. Okay, 36. Let's see here. Now take odd days in the, okay, this one. Now 1, 1, correct? Now sorry here 2 na. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Now 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Like this. Okay, odd days. Now count the first two. Here 2008 there are 2 odd days. 2009 1 odd day. Why? Because normal year. All of you observe this. For normal year there is 1 odd day. For leap year there are 2 odd days. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, you can compare. This is what leap year. This is what normal year. Is it possible? Not possible. Then go for next 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Now this is not leap year again 2019. Next year. After completion of 7 days, we have to compare next year. Okay. Next. Not possible. This is leap year. This is normal year. Again next 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Again remainder is 1 year. Not possible. We are unable to. Okay, compare. Now if you compare also it is 25, not possible. Next, actually if remainder is 0 only you have to compare. Remainder is 1, no need to compare. Now next 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Now 2030 with 2008, not possible. Why? Because 2008 is leap year, 2030 is what? Normal year. Next 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Now 2008 compare with 2036. Yes, it is possible. 2008 also leap year, 2036 also leap year. How many years we have to get here? Plus 28 years. Here plus 28 years. Clear? So like this, these formulas are worked out. Everything is fine. Okay, no problem. But whenever in between any century year is there, that is non-leap year. Century year like 1900 or 1800. Like this century years are there in between. This formulas not work out. How, sir? I'll give you an example now. See. For suppose I am giving to you find the same calendar for the 1900 or suppose 1900. Let's take 1900. Now how you write in this format? Leap year plus 1, leap year plus 2, we have only these short tricks, correct? Now it is leap year plus 4. Preceding leap year is what? 1896, correct? Plus 4. But for that any formula we don't have. So then what we have to do here? You have to approach this general method. What I told you now. Right, see. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. You can 1901. It means okay 1 odd day, 1 odd day, 1 odd day, 1 odd day, 2 odd day, 1 odd day. Here the sequence is missing here. Actually 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2. If it is like that sequence, no problem. Here 3 in between actually 4 ones coming, so that's why it is not possible. Now we can use this general method. Now count the number of 7 days again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes. Next leap year is what? Next same calendar year is what? 1906. Same as if it is 1899. Okay, sir, you can write this in the form of leap year plus 3, correct? Yes, you can write. If you apply what? Plus 11 years concept, then what is the next same calendar? 1899 plus 11, nothing but you will get what? 1910. Correct? Whether it is correct or wrong, we'll check. Why? Because in between there is a normal century year. Check whether it is correct or wrong. See, 1900, 1901, 1902, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Now see. Here, this is in the form of leap year plus 3. Okay, remember now. Here 1 odd day, 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 2 odd day. Now 1 odd day, 1 odd day. Now count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, correct? 6, 7. Next same calendar year is what? 1905 only here. Then according to this concept, you are getting 1910. So this is wrong. Okay, dear students. So far we have learned how to find out the same calendar year, right? This first of all, once again I'll revise here, shortcut method. Given year, if it is in the form of leap year plus 1, you have to add plus 6 years. If it is in the form of leap year plus 2, you have to add plus 11 years. Leap year plus 3, you have to add plus 11 years. If it is given year itself, leap year, you have to add 28 years. We have already learned. Now, but there is exceptional case here, means here there is error. When, see, note, the shortcut method for the same calendar concept does not work for a given year. Like, see, if it is normal century year like 1900, 1700, like this, means, as I told you, 1900, how we can write in the format of this leap year plus 1? Not possible now. Why? Because preceding leap year is 1896, so not possible. So that's why in this case, you have to use by general method or by conceptual. We already discussed. Next, second case, when a normal century year occurs after the given year. See here, in between we have to add, plus 6 years, plus 6 years, plus 11 years, plus 11 years, plus 20 years. In the case, while you are adding, whenever you are getting any, normal century year like this, 9 examples, or year after this, 1899 after this, if you are adding 11 years also, if I suppose previous, in that case also, for suppose let's say it is in the form of 1896, 97 you can take. but it is in the form of okay leap year plus 1 only. But whenever if you add plus 6 years, you will get what? What? Tell me. 1903. So, but that is wrong answer. Why? Because when you are adding here 6 years, in between you are getting what? 19th century or 1900 years. Means it is normal century year. Whenever okay, in between normal century year will come, in that case the sequence is changed 1 1 1 2. Okay, it is actually this is the correct sequence. For the leap years, no problem. Whenever this normal year, it is not work out. It is different sequence you will get. So that's why whenever in the while you are adding plus 6 years plus 11 years plus okay, even it is in the form of this thing, and in between if you get any century, normal century year means this formula not work out, you have to do by using general method. Clear? Okay dear students, so based on the same calendar year, now we have learnt already concept how to do by using shortcut, and other than shortcut also how to do we have learnt. So we will apply now. See here. First find same calendar year for the following. Now first question is what is the given 1997. Yes. Previous leap year is what? 1996. Correct? 1996 is the previous leap year. Now it is in the form of leap year plus 1. Correct? And after this if you add plus 6 years, then it will cross 1 century year. That is what? Leap year century. Okay, leap year century, that is okay. Clear? Leap year century means no problem, you can add directly plus 6 years to this, then you will get what? If you add plus 6 years, then it will become 3 and what? 0. Now next 0 and 1 2003. So next same calendar year for this what? 1997 2003 you will get. Clear? Next see here. It is in the form of leap year plus 2, correct? But see, in between when you add plus 11 years, you will cross the normal century year, that is 1900. Here you cross 2000. No problem. Why? Because the sequence of this what odd days 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2, it is following here. If you here cross normal century year, it is not following 1 1 1 2. So that's why here what we have to do? General procedure, general method. So shortcut method not work out here, right? Now general procedure is what? 18 given here is what? 1898, next 99, next 1900, 1901, 1902, 1903, 1904, 1905, 1906. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12 like that you have to take years. Now take the odd days in the each and every year. Now here 1 is the odd day. Here also 1, 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 here 2, here 1, here 1, here 2, here 1, here 1, here 1, here 2. Correct? Now count the number of odd days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But 1 left here. Remainder should be 0 as I told you. So unable to compare here. 1898 to okay 1905. Then go for next here remainder 1. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, now you can compare 1898 with 1910. Yes, this is also normal year, this is also normal year. So next same calendar year is what? 1910. That is your answer. So, sir, how to check whether this answer is correct or wrong? So, I'll give you, we have already the day of the week method. So, see, how to check whether it is correct or wrong. Now, see, first of all, I am taking first, okay, January 1898. Okay, in this, if it is 1st January 1998 starts with Monday, in the 1st January, okay, 1910 also should be starts with Monday, then only your answer is correct. Okay, why? Because same calendar means. Now let me check here. First, okay, one date as it is. January code is what? 0. Now 1898 means what? 1897 we have to take complete years. As you know this concept, I think so. Once again doing, see, January code is now splitting year, century plus 97. Here this is normal year, no leap year effect. You can check that also. Okay, this is normal year. Now divided by 4 here, more than 4. How many times will cancel? 2 times 17, 4 4s are 16. Now here see all of you. Now what happened? 1 plus 0, 1800 code is what? Can I write 1600 plus 200? Is there any problem? 1600 code is 0, 200 is what? 3. So 3. 0 plus 3, 3. Now here 24 plus 97. 24 plus 97 is how much? 1. Yes or no? Now 12, 121. If we add everything, okay, the number of odd days are what? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 125. 125 is more than 7. Then divide by 7. Then 1 time get cancelled means what? Here 5 is remainder, correct? Now 55 nothing but how many times get cancelled? Okay, here, yeah, 7 sevens are 49, correct? Remainder is what? 6. 6 is nothing but Saturday. Here, what day you got here? 1st January 1898 is what? Saturday. It should be also Saturday. Then only your answer is correct. Okay, let me check whether it is Saturday or what. What you got here? Saturday. Now here see. 1st January, again January code is 0, 19, not 9. Why? Because the complete years we have to take. 1 plus 0 plus, now splitting century plus years. Again more than 4 divided by 4. How many get 2 times get cancelled seriously? 1 plus 0 plus, this one is code is what? 1, as I told you. This is 1600 plus 300. 300 code is 1, 0 plus 1. Now 2 plus 9, 11. Together is how much? 1 plus 1. Okay, here 1 plus 0, correct? Now here 1, 2 plus 11, 13, correct, sorry, 13. Now 13 by 7. How many times? 1 time get cancelled nearestly. 6 is the remainder. Here also Saturday, correct? So here also Saturday you got. So your answer is correct. Like that you have to check. Okay, this is the correct procedure. Clear everybody? Next. Here you got next same calendar year 1910. Here 2003. Now see here century. Century year itself what? Leap year. So you can add this procedure, no problem. Why? Because whenever given year is leap year, you should add plus 20 years. So next you will get 2028 same calendar. Next, this is what? 1800. Normal century year. Normal century year means again you don't, okay, no formula for this. It is not in the form of leap year plus 1, leap year plus 2, leap year plus 3, leap year plus, okay, given year is leap year, no. So what you have to do? Again general procedure. So 1800, 1801, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now take odd days. It is normal year 1 odd day, normal year 1 odd day, normal year 1 odd day, leap year 2 odd days, normal year 1 odd day. Okay, now here what? So again count the number of odd days. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Next you will get, this is also normal year, 1806 also normal year. Next same calendar is the 1806. 1806. For the 1800 is what is the next same calendar year is what? 1806. For this 1806. So like this you have to solve the same calendar year type questions. I think so all of you, okay, clear this one. Okay my dear students, we'll move on to the next question. See here, which 2 months in a year have same calendar? So up to now we discussed about same calendar year. Now they are asking in a year which are the 2 months having same calendar. Nothing but see here. For suppose let's say here June and first option June and October given. So in the month of June there are 30 days. In the month of October there are 31 days. Now how it will become same calendar, sir? Now we know the concept. What is that? After every 7 days, if starts with Monday, next after 7 days, again you will get Monday. Yes or no? Why? Because in a week we have 7 days. Now see here, how it will become, okay, let us example I am telling, it is not, okay, first option whether true or false, let's say it later. No, so what is the concept I am discussing now? First of all, from 1st June, okay, you can consider first, let's say Monday. Now, next what? Next 8th June, Monday only, na? Correct? 8th June also Monday. Next what? 15th June is Monday. Now 22nd June is what? Monday. Now 29th June is what? Monday. Now next 30th June ends with what? Tuesday. Correct? Tuesday. Now in the same way, if you 1st October, okay, starts with Monday and so on according to same pattern, 30th October is what? Tuesday only, na? According to the same pattern. If it is starts with Monday, here also starts with Monday. Then 31st October is what? Wednesday. Here one extra day is there, that's it. But here up to observe carefully, here up to 1st June to 30th June, what are the days are there? Here 1st October to 30th October, same days only, na? That's why it should be same calendar. If you don't, okay, worry about this extra day. Okay, we are considering up to here how many days are there, up to here how many days are there. Here also 30 days, here also 30 days. All are same pattern. First starts with Monday, 30th June ends with Tuesday. Here also. So it is same 2-month calendar. Okay, in a month, in a year, these 2 months have same calendar, like that we can say. Now this is, we have to check whether it is follows or not. How to follow this? See here. What is the procedure to do? So now see here. If you start with here first option June, October given. Now here June after which month will come? July. July after which month will come? August. August after which month will come? September. Now here no need to take what? October here. Why? Because next after September 1st October you will start. Correct? You will get. Now here I will take number of days in the each month. So there June there are 30 days. July there are 31 days, August there are 31 days, September there are 30 days. Now see here, if now you add everything, you will get 122 days. Here again 122 is what? More than 7. Same odd days concept only. If you divide by 7, what is the remainder? One time get cancelled. 52, 7 7s are 49, 3 is the remainder. Now see here. First say, here if 1st June starts with what? Monday first, let's say. Let's suppose example. 1st June starts with Monday. Now after 7 Mondays, okay, 17 Mondays, sorry. 17 Mondays what happened? What is the remainder? 17 Mondays, after 17 Mondays remainder is what? 3 here. Monday plus 3. Then after 17th Monday, okay, after 17th Monday. Now Monday plus 3 is nothing but 1 plus 3. It become what? Thursday. But it starts with what? 1st June starts with Monday. Here 1st October. After this date, what is the next date? 1st October. It starts with Thursday. So is that same calendar is possible for these 2 months? Not possible. Here it starts with what? Monday. It starts with Thursday. How it is possible? Not possible. Remainder should be 0. Then only possible. Correct? How? See, if remainder should be 0, remainder is 0. So now Monday plus 0. Here Monday plus 0 is nothing but what? Again Monday it will come. Okay. Now from second option, if you take, okay, June to next September, here in between months you have to take. Don't consider October. Why? Because after this odd days, 1st October it will come. We are checking 1st June to 1st October. Clear? Now, so first option not suitable, then go for second option. Second option is what? April, November. Now see, here how it is possible check. April, how many days are there? Okay, April after, what is the month? April after May, May after June, June after, okay, July, July after August, August after September, September after October. This many months you have to take. Okay. Now here consider the number of days. 30 plus 31 again 30, sorry, 31, 31, September 30, October 31. After that 1st November will come. Now we add everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 3s are 210 plus extra ones 1, 2, 3, 4. So 214. 214 divided by 7. Is it possible? Now extra, see here 3 times 30 times, remainder is 4. Again not possible. If first, let's say if you take any one particular day, for suppose Thursday, if you take Thursday plus what? Remainder here 4. Remainder 4. Again 4 plus 4, 8. 8 by 7. Again remainder is 1. Monday. Here starts with Thursday. Here 1st November starts with Monday. How it is possible? Not possible. Then go for what? Third option. Next, third option is what? April and July. Third option is what? April and July. April, July. Now see here, April month after which month will come? April month after again May after what? June after what? July. Okay, no need to take, only up to June only you have to take, June. Now consider the number of days, April 30, May 31, here June 30. Now if you add everything, what is that? 91. Yes, 91 by 7 exactly cancel now, 1 time and 3 times 13 times. Yes, here if see here see remainder is what? 0 here. If it starts with Monday plus 0 again Monday, means 1st July starts with Monday. Yes, here number of days is not important here. Here first, if it is 1st April to 30th April, it starts with Monday and ends with Tuesday. Now 1st July starts with Monday, ends with Tuesday. No problem in that. So remainder should be 0 within the odd days while you are taking odd days. Then so option 3 your answer. Clear all of you? Okay, my dear students, we'll move on to the next question. See here. The day on 28th December 2021 was Tuesday. A couple was married on this date. How many marriage anniversaries would fall on Tuesday in the next 40 years? They are asking what? Here in the next 40 years, they are okay. 28th December 2021, that is what? Tuesday. They got married, one couple. So now like that same on Tuesday, when they will, okay, how many anniversaries they would celebrate next in the next 40 years, means up to 2061 we have to take. Here it is okay, don't take here same calendar year. Why? Because here see, in a normal year, so like that in between you may get Tuesday. Okay, so that's why, okay, don't go for same calendar here. Here we have to take day wise. So how? Let us see here. See, first of all, what is the given date? 28th. Yes, what? December 2021 is Tuesday. They got married on this day. Correct? Now next 2000, okay, 28 December 2022. Next it starts with what? Means here we have to take 28th December to 27th December 2021, 1 year. Okay, it starts with Tuesday, it ends 27th December 2021 on Tuesday. Now again 20th December will start on what? Wednesday. Nothing but so 20 next okay anniversary, for first anniversary they will celebrate on what? Wednesday. Next same as next 20th December 2023, again it starts with Thursday. Correct? Why? Because this is what? From year to year, normal year, 1 odd day is there. Now next December, okay, 28th December, what? 2024. See here, this is what? Leap year. In between, there are 2 odd days are there. So that's why it starts with what? Thursday and ends with Friday. Why? Because there is a leap year here. So that's why it starts with what? Next what? Saturday. Sorry, Saturday. Next. Same as 28th December 2025. Next again 1 day only, Sunday. Next 2026, it is Monday. Now 2027, it is Tuesday. Correct? Now this is the what? First Tuesday they will celebrate. Okay, what? Yeah, marriage anniversary. Now next after that now 2028. Correct? Now directly I am taking. Now 2027 is what? Normal year. 2028 is what? Leap year. Means what? Next year they will celebrate on not Wednesday, that is Thursday. Correct? Now 2029. Now okay, normal year only. They will celebrate on Friday. Now 2030 they will celebrate on Saturday. Now 2031 they will celebrate on Sunday. Correct? Here next again 2032 is leap year, means they will celebrate on again what? Tuesday. Why? Because here 2 odd days are there. Next 2031 they will celebrate on when? Wednesday. Now 2032, sorry, here 2033. Now 2034 they will celebrate on what? Thursday. Next 2035 they will celebrate on what? Friday. Correct? Now 2036, this is also what? Leap year. Then see, Friday after they will celebrate Sunday. Now 2037 they will celebrate on Monday. Now 2038 they will celebrate on again Tuesday. Correct? Now 2039 they will celebrate on what? Wednesday. Now 2040 they will celebrate on what here? Friday. Why? Because 2 days. Now 2041 they will celebrate on when? Saturday. Now 2042 they will celebrate on Sunday. Correct? Next 2043 up to have to take up 61. Correct? Now 2043 they will celebrate on what? Monday. Now 2044 they will celebrate on Wednesday. Now 2045 they will celebrate on what? Thursday. Now 2046 they will celebrate on Friday. Now 2047 they will celebrate on Saturday. Now 2048 they will celebrate on again here Monday. Now 2049 they will celebrate on Tuesday. Now 2050 they will celebrate on when? Okay, Wednesday. Correct? Now next 2051 they will celebrate on Thursday. Next 2052 here what? Next again leap year here. Okay, means 2 days you have to take. No, Friday, Saturday. 2052 Saturday. Now 2053 is what? Again Sunday. Now 2054 is what? Monday. Now 2055 is what? Tuesday. Correct? Now 2056 is what? After this here 2 days are there again. 2056 is what? Thursday here. Now 2057 is what? Again Friday. 2058 is what? Saturday again. Correct? 2059 is what? Tell me. Sunday. Now 2060 is what? Tuesday. Now 2061 is what? Next Wednesday. Now how many years they would celebrate Tuesday on their anniversary? Check here. So whenever Tuesdays are there, 2061 and this one 2055 2 and this 2049 3. Next this 2038 4. Now this one 2032 5 and this 2027 6. Here they already, this is marriage day, so don't consider this thing. After 1 year we celebrate, they will celebrate actually anniversary. So this is marriage day, means don't consider. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 times okay, they would celebrate their marriage anniversary on Tuesday. Correct? Okay, my dear students, we'll move on to the next question. See here. Venkat was born on 29th February 2016, which happened to be a Monday. If he lives till 2099, how many birthdays would he celebrate on Monday? That is the question for you. Right? Now see here, first of all, he born on 29th, right, February 2016. This is what? It is a leap year. That's why we have 29th February. Okay, now this is on Monday. Correct? Now observe here how pattern it is going on. Now next 29th February, what? 2020 only na? Why? Because every 4th year is a leap year, we know that. Now it would be what? See here. After Monday, as I told you, 17, it would be Tuesday. Now 18 means what? It would be Wednesday. Now in between 19 is there na? It is what? Thursday. Now 2020 means what? 2 days, we have to add 2 odd days. Then it would be what? Saturday. Next birthday he shall celebrate on Saturday. Now same as here, see here, Monday to Saturday, how many odd days we have to add? Observe carefully pattern. Here to here, Monday code is 1, we know that. Saturday is 6, means plus 5. Correct? Now see, again next 29th February, what? 2024. Correct? Next. Then here to here we have to add 6 plus 5. Correct? 6 plus 5 is nothing but 11. 11 may again more than 7 divided by 7. One time get cancelled. 4 is the remainder. 4 is nothing but Thursday. Now 29th February. Next what? 2028. Now Thursday 4 again. Right? 4 again plus 5 we have to do. Same pattern is repeating. Now it would be what? 9. 9 by 7 again, one time get cancelled, 2 is the remainder, 2 is nothing but what? Tuesday. Next, 29th February, next what? 2032. It would be what? Again, 2 plus 5, correct? 2 plus 5, 7, 7 by 7, one time get cancelled, remainder 0, it is Sunday, right? Next, 2029th February, right? 2036 next. It would be what? Again 0 plus 5, that is nothing but 0 plus 5. 5 is nothing but what? Friday. Next, 29th February, right? 2040. Again 5 plus 5. Observe carefully pattern, very easy. Now 10 by 7. One time get cancelled, remainder is 3. 3 is nothing but Wednesday. Now 29th February, right, next 2044. Now 3 plus, what is the remainder? Wednesday, no, 3 plus 7, 3 plus 5, sorry, we have to add how much? 5. 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8. 8 by 7, one time get cancelled, remainder is 1. 1 is nothing but Monday. Here he is celebrating what? Birthday on Monday. Remember this point. He is celebrating birthday on Monday, 29th February 2044. Next, see, when you are observing carefully here, see, Monday, Saturday, Thursday, now Tuesday, Sunday, correct? Now Friday, Wednesday, next again Monday. Again, next would be what? Saturday only, na? According to this pattern, check whether it is correct or wrong. Next, 29th February 2048. Now 1 plus 5, 6 Saturday, correct? Same pattern is coming, Saturday. Now, next 2052. Next would be what? After Saturday, which is Thursday. Next 2056. Thursday after what? Tuesday. Correct? This is Tuesday. Okay. Next 2056 after 2060. It is what? Sunday. Next 2060 after what? Up to we have to take 99. Okay. Now see, 2060 after 64. 2064. It will be what? Sunday after. So Friday. Next 2064 after 68. Friday after what? Wednesday. Now 2068 after 2072. It is what? Again Monday. Now next 2072 after 2000 what? 76. It would be what again? Saturday. Now 2080. It is what? Thursday. Now 2084. It is what? Tuesday. Now 2088. It is what? Sunday. Now 2092. It is what? After Sunday. Okay. See, observe carefully. Saturday, Thursday, Tuesday, Sunday. Sunday after Friday again. Correct? Friday. Next 2096. It is what? Wednesday. Next what? 2000. Okay, 100. But we have to take up to 2099 only. So, okay, next if we add plus 4, it will come 2100. Here you will get different date. So that is not required. Here how many Mondays you will get here? At 2072 one Monday and 2044 one Monday, and first he born at Monday only, na? Total 3 Mondays. Your answer is what? 3 Mondays he will celebrate his birthday. Clear?